switching from Forex to futures trading. In this video, you guys, I'm going to tell y'all why I switched from Forex to futures, how it's been going so far this month in the futures market, and my honest opinion on what I think about the futures market. So let's get into it, you guys. Before we get into this video, I just need y'all to please hit that like and subscribe button. Go to this channel, man. Support your boy. Tune in. And you guys just tuning into my channel. I've been day trading mainly in the Forex market for about 4 years. December of this year will be my fifth year trading, day trading. Earlier in my years, I was trading a little bit of crypto, but mainly Forex. But I recently just made that transition, Forex to futures, and it's my honest opinion. What really got me into trying futures trading was all the shitty stuff going on in the Forex space, man. The prop firms, shitty leverage on the regulated Forex broker. All of that stuff was throwing me off, man. And I was like, you know what? I had a couple of my boys that was like, yo, you should that I had tried futures trading. And then I was like, you know what? Let me give it a try. I got my account taken away from FTMO. I was trading in a prop firm. FTMO is a prop firm. My account just got taken away. They stopped funding U.S. traders. Whole lot of stuff was happening, man. So I was like, you know what? Let me give this a try, man. And I'm telling you guys, it was the best thing I ever did, man. Futures, I'm like locked in, man. I forgot about Forex. Nah, but I still look at Forex. Once out of both, depending on EU and GBP/USD, I still look at it once in a while. And if the market is clean, because the good thing about futures that you could trade Forex pair in the future. I've been messing around with futures for like 5 to 6 months around there, like back testing it, demo trading. Now I'm getting more on live account for like good 2-3 months. And I ain't gonna lie, guys. I'm gonna show you guys my results this month of April. I've been killing the charts, no lie. But the crazy thing is that for me, backtesting my strategy. If your strategy works in the Forex space, it will work in the futures market. All you gotta do is probably like tweak it a little bit, not even tweak it, just your entries in the futures gotta be a little bit more sharp than the Forex, because futures is way more volatile than Forex. It moves way faster, and Forex it take a little longer to hit TP, a little slower than the futures market. And yeah, you guys, that's what really got me into the futures. And my honest opinion, like I said, it's been wonderful. I've been fucking with it all no lie. I've been trading mainly micros. I'm trading a small account, micro Nasdaq, micro S&P, and gold. I'm throwing in a little bit of gold too. And crazy thing is, you guys, I deposited an account total of $900, and I grew that $900 to $3,300. Let's go to the computer, you guys. I'll show you guys some of my results on my live account, man. Futures market is more regulated, actually more regulated than the Forex market. And it's crazy because a regulated broker from Forex leverage is literally 50-1. Like, come on, like that's your profit. Let's say you have like a $1,000 account, your profit's gonna look like, which is good, I ain't gonna lie, especially like growing it slowly. That's what I was doing, growing it slowly, my account. And say you got $1,000 account, your profit, like the 2-to-1 trade, 3-to-1 is gonna be like, with the max lot size, $50, 40, 30, 80, $100 depending. And with literally last week, I caught $2,200 in 1 hour in a micro E-mini. It's crazy. And I got a small live account, you guys. Like, and it's more regulated than Forex. So I ain't gonna lie, you guys, I'm really like locking in with futures. I'm loving it a lot. I am not looking back. Like, this shit, we going forward in this shit. And it's been going good so far, you guys. No lie. Like, of course, like I do take a couple L's. I'm not like my strategy not 100%. My profitability not 100%. But I always, even from the forex, it's like I mentioned before. I mentioned this before in my videos. Trading like a business. You gotta treat it like a business. If you do take some losses, which is gonna happen like at least like once in a while, always make sure that your winners is way bigger than your loss. You gotta treat it as a business. You gotta earn your profit. You gotta earn the profit. So all my L's, it's been small. It don't compare to my win. My wins it's fat. It's way bigger than my losses. I'm about to show you guys some of my results. But before that, I just want to throw in more pros on the futures, you guys. It's more cleaner to me. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like the futures is more cleaner than Forex. I don't know why, but it's what I'm like the setups that I've been catching on let's say on Micro, Nasdaq, S&P, and gold. It's been so smooth, you guys. But I would like to say this that it is like it does more it moves way much quicker, so you can get faster and bigger profit, but you can definitely lose faster and more. So like you definitely got to be like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, like your engine got to be more tighter than Forex, more like more on point. And yeah, but if you know what you're doing, your strategy, you got your strategy on lock, you could definitely do it. I definitely do recommend, especially if you in US, to give this a try, man. It won't hurt to give it a try. Give it a try, man. Back to instead, throw a little live account, small live account. Right now, I'm using TraderVate and TraderVate. Let me see. I was looking at this. If you could trade Micro S&P 500 in Forex, the term is lot. Here is point. So there's a different lot, point. Lot, I remember, and one lot is $10. 0.1 lot size is $1. Here is 1 point. If you use one contract, it's $5. So the value of this, or let's say one contract, is $5 per point. And let me rephrase that back. Lot size in Forex and futures is contract. So if you use one contract, this is gonna be a $5 per point. So it's definitely way more money. Like it costs more. It's more riskier. But I'll just say, like, if you definitely like trade, if you heavily like day trade and you're in the US, definitely give futures futures a try. My opinion, like, I've been doing this for a couple months now, and I've been loving it. I ain't gonna lie, you guys. And okay, so the Micro S&P 500, this is $5 per point. If you use one contract, if there's two contracts, it's gonna be $10. Micro, meaning Nasdaq, is $2. So if you use one contract, it's gonna be one lot size in Forex. Futures is one contract, it's gonna be $2 per point. And point is gonna be, so let's say this move. But this 469 is ticks, and this is gonna be the point on the left side. This is gonna be the point. So let's say you would have caught this big move, you would have done 117 times, let's say we're doing the Nasdaq times 2, that's 234, literally in 5 minutes. So it definitely moves way much faster and quicker than Forex. So let's peep my results so far for this month. Let's just do this month, this week, and from April 1st to the 16th. So look at this, you guys. Total profit, $3,026. $3,026, no lie. In 1 month. Well, not even a whole month. My fault. I put from the 16th, so April, 16 days. And all trades total, of course, I took a couple L's, but my gross on the PL so far for this month is $24.65. I took a total of 16 trades, 32 contracts. Most of my trades is when I use one contract, one lot size in terms of Forex. and my average trade is 24 minutes. And my largest trade, which was last week, is 2206. I average like my winning trend like $400, 400, 300, 200. That's like my like weekly. My being honest, like my profit. My losses, like I try my best to go under 100, like weekly. Like my losses to stay under that 100 mark, the $100 mark. My losses be like from 50, 80, 70, depending on the trade setups. But my winners is definitely way much fatter than my losses, guys. But this is kind of like my results for this month so far. It has been a very profitable month for your boy, and I've been killing the charts. I ain't gonna lie, and I did withdraw some profits after I took this big W, no lie, last week. It's 2206. I grew my account like I mentioned from 900 to 3300. I was like, you know what? Let me take some profits and let me withdraw. Sorry, let me withdraw some profits from the market, and that's exactly what I did. And look, you guys, I deposit money from my bank account, my card, and I withdraw from my bank account. And in 2 days, boom, they approve it, and they hit straight my bank account. Another pro thing about the future, you don't gotta do none of that crypto stuff. You gotta send it to dot. Nah. Here, literally, I deposited from my card and my bank account, and I got the money right back on my bank account. No crypto, no none of that stuff. So, I'm definitely fully locked in the future, you guys. If you guys made it through the whole content, made it through the whole video, please drop a like and subscribe button. Let's grow this channel, you guys. Help your boy out so I can keep dropping more content, man. Please comment if you like the video. If you want me to do more videos like this, more trade breakdown. If you haven't, go check out my latest 2 trade breakdown videos that I caught some nice W on the micro S&P and micro Nasdaq, man. Tune in, you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching, and holla at y'all, man.